The KIMO 20V Cordless Ratchet Set is a powerful tool, delivering 74 foot-pounds of torque and 400 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for both professionals and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. Equipped with two 2000 milliampere-hour lithium-ion batteries, this ratchet offers extended runtime and longevity, ensuring that users can work without interruptions. Its compact design and low-profile head allow it to access tight spaces easily, while its lightweight build ensures minimal user fatigue during prolonged use. The built-in LED light illuminates workspaces effectively, enhancing visibility in dark or confined areas, which eliminates the need for additional lighting sources. A thoughtfully designed ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand strain and allowing for extended periods of work without discomfort. Constructed from high-quality materials, the KIMO ratchet is built to withstand tough working conditions, ensuring durability and consistent performance over time.